Phase 3, the Architect's Toolkit.
Constructing a reality that doesn't exist.
Visual deception. Generated by math.
The speed of the lie is faster than light. Setting the bait on a global scale.
Launching the narrative. The trap is set. Mass-producing credibility. A factory of fakes.
Authentication is just a graphic to the master.
The predatory logic. Squeezing the assets.
Sifting through fragments of broken truth.
The target believes. The connection is secure.
The command center of the heist.
Turning up the pressure. Forcing the mistake.
The complex path to a simple theft.
Infection of the narrative spreading.
Collecting the rewards of the friendly face.
Trust harvested. The wall is gone. The architect is inside.
The deadly efficiency of the human hack. The internal highway of the master op.
Value is destroyed. Power is transferred. The watcher enjoys the view. Typing the script for your ruin. Deconstructing the victim. Emotion override. Bypassing logic. Winning the heart.
Heat of the master op is rising. The helpful hand is actually a claw.
Distorting reality until truth vanishes.
Synthesizing authority. Stolen handshake.
Of the event. Trigger pulled.
Meltdown initialized.
The exploitation chain at full speed.
The city reflects the fear.
The one who knew. Collector of fallout. One small flaw. The origin of the end.
The harvester never sleeps. Alpha reallocated to the ghost. Target neutralized. The machine watches its victory.
The lonely celebration of the exploiter.
Currency of the broken market.
The abyss of the master hack.
Wave 1 over. Wave 2 coming.
Cycle complete.
The predator searches for the next victim.
The warning that no one saw. The lock is broken. Gate open. Safety is a memory.
Status: compromised. Phase 4, the mental breach.